What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at Pagel Services. Oh, we got a good one for you today. We're doing some concrete work, which we love here at Pagel Services. Not really, but we got ourselves into a big job. This is going to be the biggest concrete pour of the year, so we're going to head on over there and show you guys how that's going to go. Also, today we got the trailer winner. The last load trail trailer we gave away. The winner's showing up today. He's coming all the way down from Minnesota. He's coming to pick up that trailer. And then once we get that concrete pour done, I head on over to the shop and we get the furnace fired up, because these 30-degree mornings in Wisconsin are getting a little bit chilly here. So let's get on over to the concrete job and get to work.
Where do you want me to dump it? Just
Put out just a little bit on the outside. Like, woohoo! Why do you got that big ass fuzzy thing on there? It kinda looks like a that's fucking staring at me.
You guys look cute together.
Oh, you can just take it down and just eyeball it. Beautiful. That will do, folks. Yep, that will do. Yep, that will do. Huh?
you have grade set already?
Yeah.
I don't know, but somebody's math isn't math in here.
Well, that'd make this look a lot better.
It would. It'd clean this edge up a lot better.
You want to take all these nails out. $189.
Are you sure it's 180?
$189. Takes with vice grips in there. Just grab it, twist them. This is 180.
Wow.
Whose fault?
Not I, because I wasn't here. It is the same number. It just doesn't look like it. It looks like this end's bowed. Are those all fucking batteries?
No, these are all just little spacers. Here you go. Can you put my camera back together? I got work to do.
Just whack them! Whack them and stack them!
Oh, we got a little concrete pour going on today. 6.5 yards. We're just doing a little pad for a shed, and then putting a little sidewalk off of his deck there. So pretty simple little job. Kind of ran into some issues trying to move this shed. It's a little bit bigger than we thought, but you guys got it done. We got our concrete guys coming to help us this morning, Al and his worker, so should be good to go. It is 7:52 and concrete's supposed to be here at 8.
Yes, sir.
Job? Huh? You want to do it?
If you're unloading off the truck, it'd be a pain in the ass, but I'm bringing it in scoops, so I can't get ahead of you guys. But around the edges go like this, corners go like that, and just try to keep it level. We want it just a little bit higher than the boards, so when they pull that board, it's scraping it off. And then anytime that they're pulling that board, two guys with the rake should be watching, and if there's big piles that they're pulling with that, just scrape it off lightly. You know what I mean? Yeah, same thing. Hard job. I even got heat in here. Everybody else is freezing. Heat, radio, got everything I need. The last time we poured concrete, guys in the comments were like, "Oh, this fucking boss just driving the loader around." Somebody's got to drive it. I'm the best operator, so.
So flat, roll it back a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Go one more. Okay.
our work's done, her work starts.
Oh.
She cleans all of our stuff.
Oh, actually?
Yeah. Why do you think you're standing over there with a hose and a wheelbarrow? For fun? Making sure none of us get hurt. Ready?
Yeah. We gotta float that, right?
Yeah, this corner.
Pushed up to that side. Throw a foot right in there. Yeah, that water and it just sucked it right up.
Yeah.
Morning, huh?
Must have had it graded right. Take the roots off.
The garden shed you said you could handle.
Yeah.
You know, get the left. Yep. Yep. probably have to, you and Sean will probably have to broom it.
Oh, okay.
That way Al and him don't have to stay here forever. So I think I'll probably give Holly a ride back. There's no sense in her staying here
Right.
waiting, so
We'll wait.
probably gonna be a while before we'll be able to broom this.
Concrete professionals.
Yeah. Just make sure all these mats are picked up. And
Just leave that front. It's making it all chattery. How are we gonna edge that along the fence?
Putting a lot of trust in that fence too.
Yeah. I wasn't pulling on it. Ain't nothing to it, it's just plastic.
all right, just seen a Ford pull up in the lot here. Not sure what's going on. Oh, actually, I think this is the trailer winner. Look at this guy drives a nice Ford truck here.
Yes, sir.
Eric, nice to meet
ya.
you. How long was your drive down here? Minnesota plates.
Yeah, it was about 300 miles.
That's not too bad.
Dropped down into Wisconsin from
It's not
Superior.
too bad for a brand new trailer.
No, I'll take it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I got those pictures of the old trailer you got,
Yeah.
so it looks like you need one anyway.
I did
so
for sure.
Put that one on Marketplace for $2,500 or something.
I already dropped it off at my dad's place.
ya? Yeah.
It's his now.
Cool.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're super excited to see, it's not going cross country, but kind of local, so,
Mm-hmm.
and you said you kind of need one around your land or property, and you'll
Yep.
be able to put it to use, so
Yeah, I got to go buy a tractor and
That's,
some ATVs.
that's good news. So I'm assuming you bought a pink sweatshirt from me?
This was the mystery box.
Oh, was it?
This
Sure.
is my lucky sweatshirt. Yep.
Isn't that what the last guy? The last guy had a pink one on too, mystery box. The UTV winner. So make sure to check out the mystery boxes, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Might have some good luck there. So,
Yep. That was the ticket.
so yeah, how long have you been watching our stuff on YouTube? And
I started about a year and a half ago.
so now, do you get into any other giveaways online, or are you
Not really.
avid gambler? Or?
Not really.
No?
No, I like your guys' giveaways because they seem small enough that
Yeah.
they're kind of achievable.
Might have a chance.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some that I get into, some bigger companies that give away trucks, and
Yeah. I've seen those and it's like, I don't know if that's. so many
I do
entries
those
to get.
because I want a new truck. But yeah, the odds are just, they got to be just crazy.
Mhm.
So yeah, our giveaways are definitely smaller. You definitely got a better chance winning some of our stuff. So, but yeah, let's go show Eric his brand new 20-foot load trail trailer.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I like your truck. I'm not a Ford guy, but I like that one. I've owned a lot of these trailers, and I just like them. They're simple, they're basic, they're priced right. and just a dependable, all-around great trailer. So I've owned a ton of these, this exact model, and that's why I like giving them away. I know the guys can use them, you know, whether it's you or for a business owner. You know, 7,000 pound axles, that's perfect. You can haul a skid loader, and 20 foot's a great length. I wouldn't, you know, I don't recommend going shorter than that for cars and trucks these days, and you get longer than that and it just gets to be too long. So
Yeah, my current trailer's 18,
yeah, sure.
and that extra 2 feet,
yeah.
I can pull on there then with like my brush hog or something,
sure.
and not have to worry about
Yeah, yep,
taking off the accessories.
yeah. So yeah, that's the trailer here. It's pretty straightforward. I probably don't need to explain too much to you, but it's got a 2 5/16 ball, and
Okay.
but so yeah.
What do you rent out now? I think you still rent.
Yeah, I rent. It's like this, but it's got drive over fenders. So
Okay.
that one's been going pretty good. I'd like to rent it out a little bit more, but it comes and goes. You know, this weekend I got it rented out all weekend, but you know, last 2 weekends I haven't rented it out once. So
I like the big ramps on this.
yeah,
too.
those are definitely nice. You know, with the skid loader, big machines, you're not gonna bust those up. So.
Does it have that little rail that you can kind of push
Yep,
them
so
around
you can
on?
slide. I think those ones, yeah, you can slide them around.
Be nice too, because I just have the regular, 50-inch 4-wheeler, so it'll push those
Oh,
in
sure,
together so
yeah.
you can drive up.
Yeah, yeah. The only thing I might do is if I had this new trailer, I might, if you're gonna keep this for a while, which I assume you are, I would probably seal the deck. Put some kind of wood sealant on there, or I don't know. I've seen guys put oil on them and stuff, but
Yeah, I kind of want to get one of those boxes.
might be
front
worth
too,
it.
to
Yeah,
kind of put some
toolbox.
chain binders in. and
Yeah, I
stuff.
honestly forgot all about that. I should have put one on here, but we've been crazy busy and I didn't think nothing of it. So, but yeah, I think we get those at like Farm and Fleet or something.
Mhm.
A couple $100. You
Yep.
can get a nice toolbox on there and be ready to rock. So
Absolutely.
yeah,
Nice D-rings on there.
yep.
Yeah, my current one doesn't have the D-rings.
Yeah. How old the trailer was that? It's got to be 20 years old, ain't it?
Yeah, it's probably
I didn't
late
look at it
late
back.
80s, I think.
Okay, so it's 40.
Yep.
That's probably pretty old.
It's pretty
Yeah.
old.
Well, I'm super excited for you. This should be super nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take it right down the highway and not have to worry about nothing. So that give you some peace of mind, and you definitely needed a new one. So
Yeah, I was telling you on the phone,
Going to a good
I have
home.
an enclosed trailer, and I was driving that to my cabin a couple weeks ago, and tire blew and freaking blew the fender right off the
yeah.
trailer. And
Yeah.
I'm like, son of a...
yeah.
And then my other one, the fenders just bounced. They're all cracked.
Oh yeah.
And so yeah,
Yep, it's always something with trailers, so I like to just have a new one, like renting them out. I would never rent a used old trailer. It's nice to just have a new one, and every couple of years just buy it, replace it, and you don't really have to do any maintenance on it, for renting them out. So kind of the same thing for using them too. So, but yeah, other than that, I don't know. She's ready to rock. Look at a fancy bag of plates. Oh, perfect. Give valet service here.
I like it.
Yeah. That was a 2 5/16, wasn't it?
Yeah.
No, I didn't even look at it. Did it take off?
You had to ask Emily what size
okay.
it was. So. Ooh.
Cut your fingers off of that one.
So big plans for the weekend? Working?
Oh, probably, yeah. We got the trick or treat for businesses.
Oh, that's right.
Goes on this
Trunk or
weekend.
treat or whatever.
Yeah. So we're gonna take the mini car up.
Those batteries working there?
Yep.
Nice.
Vivor or whatever. You ever buy anything from them?
I've actually looked at a diesel heater from them.
Yeah, I hear a lot of guys using them.
Yeah. Haven't pulled the trigger on it. Hello, I'm Eric from Minnesota. I'm the winner of giveaway number 15. I'd like to thank Pagel Services and his team.
Appreciate it. And I'll...
Where'd that wind come from?
Sydney got to celebrate anyways.
Yep.
None
You
of us
heard it.
did, so this hot rod to work, and I don't think I could have went to a better home. So
I don't think so.
that's always good news. So, like the guy that won the golf cart, he's loves working on golf carts, and he's got plenty of golf carts. Who else? The other guy that won the trailer, he's using that almost every day. So it's been a lot of fun, and we encourage all of you guys to get entered in on our giveaways. So we could be calling you guys next to pick up your stuff. Oh, just getting back to the shop here. Had to do a bunch of office work today. Not fun, but looks like John got the new chimney pipe put on the oil burning stove. So for those of you guys that don't know, we burn waste oil to heat our shop. Part of the reason is to try and save money in the wintertime. So plus we have a decent amount of oil, waste oil every year, but we have some other places that give it to us. We go pick it up and give them a nice tote, so works out pretty good. We got 4 totes up there full of waste oil ready to go, and then I got a line that goes down into the tank, fills the tank up, and then we got 4 or 5 totes out there. Usually we burn like 1,500 gallons a year, so got to remember the doors are open quite a bit. We're always bringing in plow trucks and stuff, so so I don't know. It doesn't look like John tried to start it. So I think he's got everything cleaned up, ready to go. So I think I'm gonna try and fire this thing up and see if we can get some heat in here. Like I said, so it's 40 degrees today, so a little chilly here in southwest Wisconsin. So let's see if we can get her fired up. All right. Well, we could probably get rid of these, huh? I mean, the dumpster's a long ways away. Oh, so this thing requires electricity, air, and fuel. So this all goes down into this water separator, feeds the air in there. I have not drained this in a while, so we probably should. And of course, somebody's got this all stripped out, so we gotta use vice grips. You know, that's how we do it around here. So there should be quite a bit of water in here. So we haven't drained this all summer. It's not too bad. I don't have a water separator on our air compressor, but it does drain every every 15 minutes. I think it's got a little electronic water drain on it. So, we need to find a little new petcock for that. Let's see. What else do I gotta do here? Yeah, I suppose I might as well pull the oil screen out and make sure this baby's primed up. So this thing doesn't require a lot of maintenance. I know there's oil burning furnaces that suck out there. This one doesn't really suck. So really, I'll tear this all apart, go through it, and it'll most likely be good for the rest of the season. Now, like last winter, I just turned it on and went. So we did have an issue with it halfway through the season where we had to tear it apart and clean it. But as long as you take care of this stuff and try to separate your oil good, not run a bunch of junk through it, you know, they're pretty reliable. Also, we don't have a backup heat source in here, so this thing's probably, let's see. This thing's probably died twice to where it was like, oh shit. Then we go get the torpedo heater and turn it on. And both of those times is pretty much my fault for not maintaining it. So, but yeah, we don't have a gas furnace in here. I probably should, but like I said, it's pretty reliable, so. All right. So this is the little oil pump here that runs the oil from the tank up to the burner part. And there's a little screen in here that catches any debris that gets past the screen in here. So probably be a good time to take that out and clean it to make sure we got good flow of oil. So there's the little screen. As you can see, it's got some junk in there. So I'd say about 20% plugged up. Actually, probably more than that. So let's go clean this out and make it new again. For that, we will use the parts washer. Look at that. 30 seconds. It's like brand new, ready to go. Now, if we were busy all winter long, you know, like really busy, I probably wouldn't have this. But the fact that we never know what Mother Nature's gonna bring us, you know, and it doesn't cost me a whole lot, that's kind of the way that I look at this. But like I said, if we were as busy as we are in the winter as we are in the spring and summer, then it wouldn't be feasible. It wouldn't make sense to mess around with this. We'd just have a gas furnace and be done with it. But slow time of the year, we got to cut costs wherever we can. So now we just got to bleed that little pump. Man, I gotta show you guys this. Look at this. All the wrenches are still here. They're all here. And green, somebody put them back. I mean, they probably haven't used them very much, but we'll check back in the spring. Shit'll get all lost this winter. All right, let's fire this baby up, see if we can prime the pump. What do we gotta do here? Forgot how to run it. I think I gotta turn the thermostat up first. All right, let's see if we can get her to go here. Get the thermostat up. Should kick right on as soon as I plug this in. Got lucky here. Usually that takes a few times. She's lit. So you can see in there, nice, clean, clear flame. What you want. Not that this that this is a how-to video, but you know, we're just getting shit done, and you guys seem to enjoy watching me get shit done, so. Nice, beautiful flame. We got good air pressure, dry, we got good oil pressure. Now as long as the fan kicks on, when the furnace gets hot enough, that fan should kick right on, and it'll heat this place up super quick. That's what I love about this thing is, like when we're painting in the wintertime and I want it to be 85, 90 degrees in here, this thing has no problem doing that. Furnaces are made in Wisconsin. So when I need parts, it's super easy. You know, I think he's really got this design really dialed in. And then up there, so I'm kind of a cheap ass and got black pipe there, but through the attic all the way up there is the double-walled stainless pipe. So we're not gonna burn the place down, but I don't know, I probably should just put double-wall stainless all the way up and just run her, but whatever. Let's get this cover back on here. And normally I wouldn't put this right back on, but just got a feeling. Look at that. Blowing shit all over. Should have blew it out first, but that's pretty cool. Started right up. Up, ready to go. Probably gonna clean this whole area up, and I don't know, that went really well. So another thing I want to show you guys is, you know, I have QR codes in all my trucks tied to maintenance sheets, you know, and there's stuff like this also have a QR code on here. So what I'm going to do now, scan this QR code. It takes me right to my maintenance sheet, and I'm going to put in there that we put new black pipe on, cleaned it out, everything's good to go. So the last time we cleaned it was January 9th, so it ran for probably 3 months after that. So we're going to put in today's date, and cleaned up, new pipe, ready to go. So if you guys are at all interested in these maintenance sheets and QR codes, I can build them for you. They're on our merch store, and we'll send you over all the templates, and I'll make you QR codes, and just keep shit organized. I mean, if you didn't have this, you'd have a notebook or a piece of tape on here or something, just like shit organized. So shop's warming up. So yeah, this company, the name is Ace, and they're in Brooks, Wisconsin. So if you guys are interested in that, check it out. This is not a paid ad. This is just Caleb telling you that if you do want an oil burner, this is where you get one. And I'm pretty sure if you call him this time of year and ask for one, he's gonna laugh at you, because I'm pretty sure he's a small company and he's pretty busy. So, but you never know, he might have one in stock, so check him out. I don't think he has I don't know if he has a Facebook or anything, but awesome. That went really well. Whoops, almost forgot one thing, one very important part of this process. So we get all the water out of these totes, but there's still water that gets into this tank. So we have to drain this tank. Usually we drain it once a week. There's just a little petcock on the side of that tank, and we drain her out. So I better do that, because if you start running water through there, these things get a little finicky. Just Sydney's last day here, so she's just lounging. Oh yeah, shut all that. Yeah, we don't need any money. Sydney's last day here at Pagel Services, so she wanted to be on video one more time. I know she really enjoys it. Why don't you take your sign down?
I think she wants it.
No, you're taking that with you.
I'm not taking it with me.
Yeah, that's you.
Cole would take it.
Take it.
Should I put my calendar back up?
Yeah. Tell your boyfriend you got a new picture to hang in the house, so
It will.
she's taking Cletus with her. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the next one. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.